with justice and integrity first. Unity is our pillow. Talent is a gift. Knowledge will lead us use on the path to progress. Let's have us work from our feet and talent to build strong infrastructure and open up to the world. Let's strive for peace and trust among us. May 2040 to 2016 not be dream, but our reality. Before we head in there, let's get to know each other. Me and the peer of regional future, Itekani key first branch of nshasha to great grandchild grandson of our hero Peter Nkumwongereza, a son of excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye. So now how should I consider you? Thank you, Your Excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye, and your respected delegation.